This is a Tangle tutorial of a tangle called Munchin. And the story behind how this tangle began is pretty cool because when we do these lives and these videos, we always begin starting with gratitude and appreciation for things that we're grateful for. And we breathe that in and we exhale all the junk. Well, this tangle was created after many failed attempts to do the tangle paradox. So it's pretty amazing that you can find a very amazing tangle like this that someone created based off of what some people would say failure. But really, it ends up becoming this beautiful, amazing tangle that you can do so many things with. So I go live almost every night at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. I have many classes on my website that are recorded that you can purchase. I have tutorials here that you can see. I'm located on many social media platforms. You can find all of those links underneath my profile. So here is Munchin. Have a great day.